Hey guys, Eli here. In this video, I'm going to talk to you how to get your ad accounts back from Facebook if they have been banned, what to do when the inevitable happens. Now, what we're going to cover in this training is why this happens, what to do if it happens, and I'm going to give you a proven template that works for me about 70-80% of the time that you can use to recover your own ad accounts. Now, why does Facebook disable your ad accounts in the first place? That is the million-dollar question. The truth is, Facebook can disable your ad accounts for an unlimited amount of reasons. I'm just going to list a couple of really broad ones. The use of inappropriate language, the use of inappropriate videos or images, and inappropriate use of emojis. So at the moment, Facebook's cracking down really hard on people who are using the star emojis inside of their ads. So if you are using any star emojis inside of your ads, just be aware that that's something Facebook really doesn't like and you are at risk. Now, to learn more about some of the reasons why Facebook may disable your ad account, just check out these following links: the Facebook community standards and Facebook advertising policies. Okay, just have a look in there. That really lists out a whole lot of reasons. I don't have time to cover it in this video. Just be aware, inappropriate language, inappropriate videos, and inappropriate use of emojis are just some of the reasons. Check out those links if you want to learn more. If it happens, you really just need to suck it up and move forward, okay? Understand that it is rarely a human that disables your ad account. It is almost always the Facebook algorithm that has flagged your account for whatever reason. Understand that this is going to happen to you every now and again. It's almost inevitable, okay? If you are advertising on Facebook, expect to have this problem. So accept that it's going to happen. Accept that it's part of the game. It's part of the process. Now, it can be very frustrating, don't get me wrong, but you getting frustrated and angry and just kicking and screaming, that will not do you any good, but moving quickly with the right strategy will. Now, what to do? So this is what to do if your ad account gets disabled. If Facebook disables your ad account, you're going to receive a notification both via email and via your Facebook Business Manager. Within this email or notification on the Facebook Business Manager, you're going to have the option to request a review if you believe that your account was incorrectly disabled. Whether or not it was incorrectly disabled, I always recommend that you request a review because there's always a chance that you can get it back. Apologize and be sincere. So when requesting your review, it's important that you are not rude or angry. Like I said, do not become emotional. I know it's frustrating, but do not let your emotions control the situation or you will not get your ad account back. You need to be very polite, okay? Because when you send a message back to Facebook to request a review, you are going to be speaking to a human. Be very polite and understand that this person did not disable your ad account, okay? It was not them. They are merely on the receiving end of your review, okay? So don't take it out on them. They really had nothing to do with it. And the person you are speaking to, they have the power, they hold the power to reactivate your account. And they are going to be far more likely to do the right thing by you if you do the right thing by them and treat them like a human being that they are and not be rude to them. They're far more likely to keep your ad account disabled if you're a jerk to them and you swear at them and use profanity. Okay, so don't take it out on them. They had no part in this. They are simply on this other side of your email. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, you're talking to a person. This person holds all the power. You hold no power. Okay, so be very polite and respectful when you're speaking with them. Now, this is a proven template that you can take and use to recover your own ad accounts. You are welcome. Now, dear Facebook review team, thank you for this notification, but I believe my business account has been disabled by mistake as none of my ads violate the Facebook policy. Now, none of my ads contain images or videos that promote adult content, shocking images, claims, or copyright material. Our goal is to deliver a great user experience and be compliant with all of Facebook's policies. It is for the reasons mentioned that I'm kindly requesting my business account to be reviewed and that you allow me the privilege to continue advertising on your amazing platform. Thank you for your attention, and then your name. Obviously, when you're writing this, you are saying to Facebook that your videos and images and copy as well, they don't promote adult content, shocking images, claims, or copyright material. Okay, so if you're going to write this, make sure that your ads don't actually contain that stuff, okay, because you're just going to come off and look like a fool if they do, okay? So just make sure before you write this that your ads don't actually have any of that stuff in them. Now guys, that's it for this video. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. Take that template and use it when you are trying to recover your ad accounts. If you got any value from this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Come and join the E-commerce Revolution Facebook group. The link is in the description down below. And if you need any extra help at all, go check out the Quick Start Pack. I created it. It's an affordable option designed to move your business in the right direction. Okay, that's for people who need any extra help. And that's it from me, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.